What is good, YouTube? We're back with another video. If you're not in the free Discord, go join it. It is first link down below. We're going to be going over the two trades that I took. One yesterday, one today. I took a small loss today. Very small. So we're going to put that on right here. Executions. Right there, I took a small loss, and I'll give you the reasoning why. It was 300 bucks. So coming into the day, I obviously, I'm not trying to call top because I got burnt last time, right? But what I could have noticed is ES continuing to trade higher and NQ trying to trade lower. But I thought ES would have pulled NQ along with it, but obviously NQ was the indicator that we were going lower. Right here was a good short setup, breaker, order block. Continues the fall to the downside. ES traded up into this premium imbalance right here and then sold off. So the reason I took a long was because we had a 1 hour, we had a large hourly wick right here that I was anticipating to form, but I took this long right at market open, right? It was right here, small loss, got in right there. I was in a little bit of profit and then it came down, stopped me out. So I wanted to see these equal highs get ran. Right, we have perfect equal highs right there. I thought we would be going up to target them. Obviously, I was wrong. We were trading right around midnight and 8:30. As soon as we came down, we form an SMT right here. So we have an SMT with the ES, right? 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, SMT. And we have a change in the state of delivery on the 1 minute chart. So I just tried a long right there, one contract, small size, trying to go for those highs, right? I got in right around this volume imbalance. Jeez. Stop was right here. And I wanted to go for these highs. So a 1 to 2 R, which is good trade. It just didn't work out, right? Obviously we wanted lower. And we dumped at market open 437 points. We are down 379 right now. So obviously I was incorrect. And then from then on, we respected up close candles and continued the sell off, imbalance, 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 and just continued the sell off, right? So obviously I was just incorrect on my bias. And I traded in tune with it, but just got stopped out, and it is what it is. I didn't try to hop back into another trade, right? Inverse, could have tried a long, but obviously after this move, I was like, okay, if NQ wants to go higher, we're going to get up here with displacement, right? 5 minute would create a breaker, inverse this imbalance, but we never did, so there was no reason for me to try any more longs. And then we just continued the sell-off. So small loss today. Not really anything I would do differently. A loss is a loss. I wouldn't really change anything. Honestly, it was just a loss. So yesterday's trade, let me pull up Discord and show you my execution. Screen recording. Discord right here. You guys can see these buy 3, sell 2, buy 1, sell 1, sell 1. So we're going to go over this trade. Let's go back onto the charts and go over this trade real quick. So yesterday I was obviously once again bullish. So where is it? 11 or 10:30ish right here. So right here, let's go to ES. Because I'm pretty sure, hold on, 10:30 right here on the ES. That is July 9th. Let's go to July 10th. July 10th right here on the ES. 9:35. What was the higher I could go into my Notion journal and look at why I took this, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to just tell. Oh, SMT down here at these lows, right? 720, NQ took these lows out over here. So we had this SMT with the ES, and let's go into replay mode. So we had this higher time frame SMT. If I go to the ES over here, 7 a.m., 7 a.m., SMT, and then ES swipes this sell side level, and then I was looking for longs, right? So where did I enter? 7:30. I entered 3 contracts. After we inverse this imbalance, we get through this imbalance up here. I said, yeah, I'm just going to mark it short or mark it long and put my stop down here. So my stop was right here. I got in at 7:30, right there, and had a stop, up here. So the reason for this long, higher time frame SMT, displacement back in, we respected this first imbalance. Inverse these, and then I was anticipating this becoming an inverse, this becoming a breaker, so I just marked it in right here. Yeah, right here on this candle. And my first TP, I got 1 contract. Hold on, let me full screen this. Okay, 748. I got out of 1 at 748. Right here, 748.75. That must have been a higher time frame imbalance. I let 1 contract run up to these highs, and I got out lower than that because I wasn't at my computer. So I got 1 contract off here. Let's put these as lines, blue. So I wanted 1 contract off up here. I took 1 off right here, and then I wanted 1 off up here, but I wasn't at my computer. I was trading on my phone because I was downstairs with my niece. So I got 2 off right there for what, 18 points and 26 points, and then I added 1 right here inside of this imbalance. So I added another 1 right there, which is also a 5-minute order block. So, I took 1 off at this up close candle, right? I took 1 off on this up close. And after we tap into this imbalance and close above this order block, or this down close candle, it's now acting as support. So I added 1 inside of this imbalance. So now I'm back inside of 2 contracts, and my stop now goes up to here. And my last contract from down here gets taken off at these highs at 75. So right up here for about 45 points, and then this contract goes up to 804.50, which was this manipulation at -4. So got out of my last contract up here, and this trade was about 2.5 or 2.6k. So this trade was beautiful, and once again, on days like today, like that trade I was confident. Whoa, we just took out the lows again. Like that trade I was confident in, but this trade I wasn't. So I went in with 1 contract. I only traded this account, and I took my small loss, and not gonna try to look for anything else, right? I'm not trying to look for longs in here. Like, no, with this big of a dump, I need some 15-minute structure, and then like a 15-minute SMT. Like right now we have an SMT, but we're probably just going to go lower. So I'm not really interested in today for the remainder of the day. I'll come back tomorrow, take my small loss for the day, and then probably just trade 1 contract tomorrow as well because it's a Friday. I'm already up nicely green on the week. So just take it and see what happens tomorrow. So those were the 2 trades that I took yesterday and today. And yeah, so drop a like on the video, subscribe. I want 5K by the end of the month. Join the free Discord. We're almost at 600 members, so come join the free Discord. And yeah, I'm out of here. Bye.